Do you want to improve your English? Do you want to speak in English fluently and confidently? But you have a problem. Like you have no one with whom you can practice in English. So don't worry friends. In today's video, I'm going to share with you wonderful application. And this application not only improve your English, but also it will give you, partner. You feel like someone is improving your English. Someone is teaching you how to speak this sentence in English. Okay, and this AI English partner is your English teacher. It will guide you, it will teach you, it will correct your English, it will give you your topic. Just here everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you wonderful application. Okay, and this application is free on cost. You don't need to give money for learning this language. Okay, you can use this application according to your situation, according to your timetable. Okay, and you don't need to go anywhere for learning this language. This is totally free and cost application. You can use this application at your home. Okay, so this is AI English speaking partner. So in today's video I'm going to share with you wonderful your AI English speaking partner. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so I'm going to share with you application, and this application name is CV. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this application. Okay, so for this you need to just take your Android phone and go to the Play Store. So I'm going to write here CB. Okay, I have already downloaded this application. So okay, so I'm going to open this application, CV, English speaking partner. You can see the logo. So this is the logo of a CB. Now I'm going to open this application. Okay, it is going to open. Now there is two options: connect with real people and Arya, your personal teacher. Now I'm going to touch connect with real people. Okay, so when you feel okay, you are okay, then you can use Arya, your personal tutor. Now I'm going to touch practice now, connect with real people.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, Amir. And how about you?
Okay. I am businessman, ma'am.
Okay, so you are a businessman. Which kind of business you are doing?
Like e-commerce business. Do you know e-commerce business?
I don't know eco business. Can you explain it?
It's e-commerce business, ma'am. Online product selling.
Okay,
Website
okay.
and
Online product selling and purchasing. Okay, I understand. So Amir,
like Amazon.
okay.
Amazon.
So how long have you been in this business?
Ma'am, 2 years.
Okay, 2 years. 2 years.
I start business.
So what is your future plan? What do you want to become in your future? Like a big businessman, or you are doing any job? What is your goal in your? What do you want to become in your future?
My goal is I'm go to United Kingdom, UK, and I'm start a physical business like a restaurant and like barber shop and like more open employees, so and earning and like open a new e-commerce shop like so 100 people.
Okay, wow, that's great. So you want to go your UK, and you want to open your restaurant. Also, you want to open your
Okay.
barber class. Wow,
Sure.
you will become a great businessman, because you have a lot of goal in your mind.
Yes, yes, ma'am, yes.
So,
Inshallah, soon, ma'am, I'm checking the higher.
so you are
But I'm
from,
from Pakistan.
oh, you are from Pakistan.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. Do you know I am where I am from?
India.
India. Okay. Yes, I am from India, Uttar Pradesh. You know Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath. So I am from
UP.
India, Uttar Pradesh.
I know UP.
Do you like India or not?
Yes, yes, I like Indian. Indian is the best people. I like it. I just download 2 days ago this app and like Indian is more respect me. I'm from Pakistan.
Okay.
More respect to me. I'm happy.
Okay.
Indian is a good people.
Yeah.
Good
Actually,
country.
both we are as a cousin. You know, we separated from one country, so we can say we are cousin. है ना?
Yes, yes, yes. I am cousin.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are my best friend.
Yeah. Yeah. So, how long have you been using this application?
Then 2 days ago, I'm downloaded. 90% people like Indian come to my and online like chatting and practice my English and my English is good. Every people is saying me your English is very good day by day. So
Okay, only
practice
2 days.
day by
Now
day.
I can say that your English is good because you have only, using only 2 days this application. So in this way, I can say your English is good. And okay, keep practicing each and every day. And one day you will be mastered in English. Believe me.
Okay, thank you, Rama. Thank you.
Now I have to go because I have some work, some my personal work. So okay, thank you for asking. Thank you for
When we
conversing.
will pray,
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Now I'm going to connect Arya, personal teacher.
Hi, Rita. How can I help you improve your English today? Would you like to practice speaking or learn new words?
Hi, actually, I want to learn English speaking skill, but I don't know how to practice on it. So that's why I'm asking you a question. How can I improve my English speaking skill? Hello Arya, I just want to say you that I really want to improve my English speaking skill, but I don't know how to work on it. Can you explain it how to improve English speaking skill?
Of course, Rita. To improve your speaking skills, try to practice every day. You can talk to friends or even read out loud. What do you like to talk about?
Actually, I have not any friend with whom I can practice in English. So yes, this is my problem. So how can I practice? Because I have no one with whom I can practice in English. So please suggest me how can I practice in English?
I understand, Rita. You can practice by talking to yourself or recording your voice. Also, watching English movies can help. What kind of movies do you enjoy?
Okay, thank you so much. Talking to myself, it's very hard. And okay, I will try. And okay, record a video. It's a wonderful way to improve my English. And yes, I just want to watch different kind of movie like horror or suspense movie. And yes, this is the best way to improve my English speaking skill. Thank you so much for suggesting your advice.
You're welcome, Rita. Horror and suspense movies are great choices. They can help you learn new words too. Do you have a favorite horror movie?
Uh, So, Arya, I have some work, so that's why I'm going to leave this conversation. Now, I will talk to you next time. Okay?
That sounds good, Rita. I look forward to our next chat. Have a great day.
Okay. Now, after this, you can see the conversation. Hindi and English, and you can read your whole conversation, which you can do with Arya, your personal English speaking partner. Okay, so yes, in this way you can easily improve your English. This is the best way to improve your English, and your problem like, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, is going to remove, because we are living in an area where everywhere so many resources, but we just need to find all the resources. Okay, and if you have a desire, then there is lots of resources around you. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.